was going to pick anything very gross. The only flowers they've got in here. This is an autumn, but it's not giving the vibe. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Welcome to my Rose at Home. So in today's video, I'm just going to give my lounge a quick clean, and I've washed all the cushions. So before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please click the like button, subscribe, and notification button so that you'll be notified when I post another video. So I normally do a deep clean on my lounge, but today I'm just going to do like a small version, a quick clean, but it's going to be looking nice and fresh as we're now into autumn vibes and looking forward to the big one, which is the word that I'm not going to say at the moment. But anyway, welcome. So I'm just going to take you back yesterday. Let me show you this clip. Right, so recently I've come in here to do my laundry, but I've been struggling because sometimes people in my house, when they're in bed, I don't like disturbing them. So when everybody goes to sleep, for me to do the laundry, because the machine makes quite noise. But I did realize, which I knew about it in a way, that on my washing machine, I've got a delay timer. So instead of me waking up early on a Saturday morning to put the washing machine on, I can set it up so that it starts before everybody gets. All my detergents are in. I'm going to select the cycle, then I'm going to select the temperature, and then I'm going to click and then delay start. So I'll keep pressing. I want it to start in 6 hours, which would be the time when everybody else wakes up in the house. And then I click start. So it will stay locked, and then in 6 hours time, it will start working. So also I realized that my dryer has got a delay timer, but I need to find out how to use this delay timer so I can delay the start there in 6 hours as well. So I've put delay timer, and that's just going to stay like that, and in 6 hours time it's going to start drying. So which is a good feature. So this is a good feature that I've never really used. Only I think I've used once and completely forgot about it. So now my washing machine is set to go, and my dryer is also set to go. Both of them, separate machines, are delayed for 6 hours. So hopefully by the time I come down tomorrow morning, this is all going to be all done, which is good. So I'll show you tomorrow when I come down. What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back. I started by dusting, cleaning the sofas. If you haven't seen my video of how I clean the sofas, I'm going to put a link. I usually just use hot soapy water to make them clean, no chemicals or anything. Then I went on to clean my coffee table tray. I'm not sure how this gets dusty. Maybe when you were hoovering, it just settles there. And then tidied up everything, cleaned my little coffee table there, and then it was then time to move on to the unit where the TV is, and then there was a lot of dust there as well. So I did clean, take everything out, just dust. And to clean, I was using the Soflora Midnight Blooms, which I normally purchase from Home Bargains. And then on the door there was some sort of like spider web sticking inside the door in the door frame. So I had to use a brush to get rid of that, all that stuff and dirt. And sometimes it's the dirt when we've got the patio doors open from outside. So I found this. I don't know whether you can see. Vac freshener. And they're easy to use as well. And it says the directions on the back, but you just open this. It's usually how many? 6 discs in each pack, and there's different. This one is Summer Meadow, and it smells really, really nice. So every time after I finish hoovering the house, it does smell nice. So I take one of the discs and then I'll just drop it in my hoover, which is dirty at the moment. Depending with the type of hoover that you are using, it can be in the vacuum bag, the one that collects the dust, so it will stay in there, and it's really, really nice. So I'm going to hoover the room, and it's going to be smelling nice, and I will show you things as well that I put on to make it smell. I might take a trip to Danome just to find a few flowers to make it autumn, but I'm not sure on that part yet. So let's continue. I didn't want to do it early. I started with some. Properly. Oh yeah, it's full. Let's clean this up just slightly. Look at the way it brushes. It's not going to pick anything. I'm struggling to vacuum the floor. That's because in a while I haven't cleaned my vacuum cleaner. So this is how. This is a Shark lift away, and this is how it's looking. Let's go and get this off. Oh dear, I'm not surprised. This is all the hair. Why it wasn't picking anything? So let's see if we can try and clean that. I'm so ashamed. I usually clean it every month, but I think for the 2 months it was going to pick anything. Very gross. Gross, 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 gross. But it's getting better. It looks a lot better because it needs a proper good wash. I'm just going to hoover this room, and then my next job I'll show you how I clean my Shark lift away hoover. So I've just started. Right, let me put this here so that you can see. I've just started taking the hoover bag off, find out why is this machine not sucking at all, and let me show you the discovery. So when I lifted that up, look, all the white powder, I think that's what's been stopping the machine from working. And I believe this is all it's all there. When I think it's from when I cleaned my bed. I used the pure baking soda to spread on my mattress, and then I used this hoover, so it must have been stuck in there. And this is how it is, so I'm going to have to watch this. Yeah, so I'll need to watch this. You can see the white. I was wondering, when I was hoovering the lounge, I kept finding white powder spores and didn't realize that's what it was. So
come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
So this is more powder again, the soda that's coming in. This is how the hoover is looking. So I'm going to try and be as careful as I can, being mindful of the motor, which I don't want to end up getting water in there, but I want to try and clean this one. So let me give it a go.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
So this is everything I finished. So this is all the pieces I've pulled together. They are all waiting to dry, and I've also this is the actual machine here. It's looking clean. And what I've done also, I've been naughty, and I've put all those suction cushion pads in the washing machine, but I've put them on a 20-minute wash. So at the moment I'm just going to go to TK Maxx to see if I can find some autumn flowers. I don't want to change the decor, but just to give that little piece of the autumn flowers, and if I find any I'll bring them on a budget, and then I'll come back and check the washing to make sure that my and then we'll see whether I haven't ruined it. But I've already, if you've noticed, when I was cleaning one of these pieces, one of them is snapped. So we'll see. If it doesn't work, I would have ruined it, but it's what it is, isn't it? It was very dirty and it needs cleaning. So let's go to TK Maxx. So there we are. Oh my days, look. I'm starting to get obsessed with blue. Get a basket. I'm starting to get obsessed with blue. And I've also realized that they're doing blue Christmas decorations this year. Normally it's the red ones, rose golds, greens, reds, silvers. But this year they've started doing, I want to find some mafuta, that cream. I love this shop, especially for Christmas presents. This would be a nice Christmas present for someone, and it's only $9.99. I know we are only in October, but planning ahead is very important. Just makes the Christmas journey less. There's some cream that I am looking for. Nice Christmas present from Michael Kors, $24.99. So there is quite a lot for those who want to plan their festive season's presents early. In this shop you can grab a bargain. And when I go Africa next time, I will do it. Right. Autumn vibes, autumn vibes, autumn vibes. Look at this one. Just have a look for $14.99. Cowboy feeling. Really, my head is too big. For the lounge. This is nice, but I'm looking for one that's in portrait, landscape, not portrait. So let's have a look now at this. Very nice furniture as well. TK Maxx, and this is Home Sense, but they always have something new all the time. You can't say I've seen it all, but this is a nice place to get some Christmas presents for people, especially if you know what the person likes. Oh, this would be nice on the table to put some fruits in. But the problem is it's I can't find the price. $12.99. That is nice. And then we've got green stuff, and then we've got a gold theme and silver. That one is good as well. And then here we've got a nice table. I am looking for a nice food store. Don't tell me these are the only flowers they've got in here. This is an autumn, but it's not giving the vibe, is it? Every time you come in here, there's something different. Have you found anything? No. Oh, let's look at the offer item. How much is this first? Messi, check for me. The blue one. So this is out of the washing machine. It's not trimmed, so I've made a good choice. And the rest of the filters back to its original state. It's all nice and done, and everywhere all nice and clean. But I couldn't find any autumn leaves or flowers in TK Maxx. See, and just change this one cushion there, the middle one, to an orange colored one, and then maybe the flowers to make it sort of like autumn vibes, and then I'll see how it goes. So that's the plan. Thank you for watching. This is the end of this video. In the end, I couldn't find the autumn flowers that I really wanted, and haven't got the time to go through the shops at the moment. I'm a bit quite busy, but it is what it is. And the Hoover is all washed and clean, just waiting to dry. Normally leave it for a week. So give this video thumbs up, comment, and
share.
see you in the next video. Bye.